Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never could offer? Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
Happy Friday evening. It's October 4, 7 in the evening. I am just waiting for the property manager to dial in for our virtual viewing. Ito yung stage ng paglilipat namin ni Luvin na medyo na-excite ako although tedious yung process. We are trying to look for an apartment unit kung saan kami po pwedeng makalipat sa Vancouver, and meron akong nakita along Cole Harbor, and this is really a beautiful building, modern siya, safe din yung area, and close to Canada Place, close to Stanley Park, close to everything, to be honest. I am really crossing my fingers na maklose natin yung deal. Sana maging okay yung lahat para makalipat na tayo by mid-November. So let's see how this conversation will end. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It's October 25, 7:30 in the morning. And today is the day kung kailan ipipick up lahat ng boxes namin and furniture from London, Ontario to Vancouver in BC. Yeah, so you heard me right. Lilipat na tayo from London to Vancouver. Ang tagal na namin tong inaasikaso. And finally, by end of month, aalis na tayo ng London. We'll start a new chapter sa buhay natin dito sa Canada, and hopefully maging kinder sa atin ang city of Vancouver. So, kung nakikita nyo sa background, ito yung, and I really apologize for the mess. This is our situation today. Ang dami nating boxes. I think inabot kami ng mga 40 boxes. Yung mover na yung magpapack ng TV namin because they have the box, and lahat ng mga big furniture, even yung sofa set and yung massage chair. So everything. So ang gagawin na lang namin mamaya is i-guide sila para ibaba lahat ng boxes namin and isakay doon sa trailer nila. It's gonna be a busy day. Samahan nyo kami as we start this new adventure. So, this is it, you guys. The movers are here and they are bringing down all our boxes. In total, we have 39 boxes on top of our sofa set, dining table, dining chairs, and all that. Expected time of arrival within 3 to 5 weeks from London, Ontario to Vancouver in British Columbia. Ang dami naming na-empake, I can't believe it. Lahat ng to, 2 years of our life dito sa London, Ontario. We've boxed up everything and we are hoping to get everything also within 3 to 5 weeks. So this is it, you guys. Hey guys, good morning. Happy Saturday. It's November 2, almost 8 in the morning, and we're down to our last few hours here in London, Ontario. Hinihintay lang natin yung shipping company who will move our car or transport our car from London, Ontario to Vancouver in British Columbia. And yes, you heard me right, lilipat na tayo from London to Vancouver. You know, konting kwento lang, quick kwento. It was in June during my birthday month when Luvin and I first visited Vancouver and we really fell in love with the city. We thought we could live there, so inayos namin yung papers namin, naghanap kami ng employer for Leuven, and luckily he was able to get a job offer before actually start of quarter. And then we were able to sign the job contract, and here we are 5 months after our first visit in the beautiful city of Vancouver. We are moving before the year ends. It's bittersweet because we've created a lot of good memories here in this humble town, especially in this apartment unit na naging second home na namin. But it's time to move on and start another chapter in our Kwentong Canada. Gusto mo yun? Hopefully, we'll do more contents in Vancouver. Ang ganda ng city na yon. I can't wait to experience more of Vancouver and to share it with you guys. But for now, gusto ko lang mag-reminisce ng konti. We first arrived here in Ontario back in August 2022. Nakakuha ng work si Leuven. Pareho kami merong open work permit. And naging international student din ako while working at the same time. Alam mo, gaya nga na nasabi ko sa inyo, ang kwentong Canada namin ni Leuven ay nagsisimula pa lang, and I can't wait to create more adventures with him and explore the beautiful province of British Columbia. I can't say we're done with Ontario. Hopefully, makabalik pa rin tayo dito someday to visit some friends. Ontario is a beautiful province, as beautiful as the other provinces here in Canada, but it's time for us to experience and create another chapter sa kwentong Canada namin. At sana, patuloy ka pa rin sumabaybay at sumama sa mga adventures namin. Nakaka-emo lang kasi parang ang bilis ng panahon, parang kailan lang 2 years ago when we arrived here. Bagong-bago kami sa Canada. Everything was new to us, and sobrang ang dami naming na-create na good memories dito. So nakaka-emo dahil ang bilis ng panahon. Who would have thought matatapos na agad yung 2 years, and we are finding ourselves before wrapping up 2024, moving to another beautiful province. And this is how our downtown looks like. This is our view from our balcony. O paano? Kita tayo later. After ma-pick up ng car, we'll head straight to Toronto. Gaya nga na nakwento ko kanina, magstay tayo doon for one more night because tomorrow we have an early morning flight going to Vancouver. And this is it. We are really excited. We're pumped up. We can't wait to experience more of British Columbia, at sana makasama ka pa rin sa journey namin. So the guy is here. He will be the one to pick up Prada and shipping it to BC. Hi, good morning.
Morning. Do you have a key? Thank you, man.
All good? The driver is already inside, and we will see Prada in 7 to 11 days. Doon na namin siya pick upin sa Vancouver. Bye, Prada! See you in Vancouver! Ayan, nakuha na si Prada. And we are going back upstairs. Kukunin lang natin yung mga luggages natin. And then we'll head straight na to Toronto. Thank you, One Richmond Row. Ito yung lobby ng apartment building namin. It looks nice and modern. Okay, let's go. Hey you guys, quick update. We're already here in Toronto and we have checked in here at Embassy Suites by Hilton Toronto Airport. Yes, we are spending our last 19 hours here in Toronto, Ontario before our early morning flight tomorrow at 6 in the morning on our way to Vancouver, BC. Mas pinili namin na lumuwas na from London to Toronto today kesa mas stress pa kami bukas mag-commute, right? So this hotel is really perfect and convenient because it's just 5 minutes away from Pearson International Airport Terminal 1. And doon tayo pupunta tomorrow morning. So bago ang lahat, let me show you and give you a quick room tour. Straightforward yung room, but I like it. Very functional upon entrance. Ito yung main door niya. You will see a kitchenette. So there's a microwave oven. And then there's a coffee maker. And there's also a small fridge. Next to it, yung bathroom niya. I like how spacious the bathroom is. And then, this is your vanity mirror. May one sink with fresh towels. And then, may direct access din siya dito sa vanity area. And then, on this side, meron siyang flat iron, ironing board. There's also, a vault for your valuables. And then this is the bedroom. King size bed. And here's Cassie. If you're watching our vlogs, alam nyo na lagi namin dinadala si Cassie wherever we go. And then there's a second TV set. And may TV stand siya with cabinets. Overlooking lang tong room na to ng parking lot. Hindi masyadong maganda yung view, but that's okay. We're not here for a vacation anyway. Less than 24 hours lang tayo dito. We just need a decent accommodation before our morning flight tomorrow. And then dito sa corner na to, you have table and 3 chairs in case you need to work remotely or do some stuff. And then there's also an ensuite living room and meron din siyang TV set. And that's it. So we are just waiting for my college bestie. My college bestie and her husband sa London, Ontario din sila nakabase. They wanted to spend time with us before we head to Vancouver. So we'll have lunch. Saan nga tayo mag-lunch? Sa Cheesecake Factory at Yorkdale Mall. And then we'll spend the remainder of the day sa Yorkdale Mall. Mag-iikot-ikot lang just to kill time before tayo bumalik dito mamayang gabi. We are going down. Andito na si Kikay. And we are heading straight to Cheesecake Factory, Yorkdale Mall. Ay, salamat. We can eat na. So, ito yung itsura ng hotel. There's Leuven. Hi! So this is the hotel lobby. And that's the front desk. Maliit lang siya, guys. But I like it. It looks very modern, clean. And what's important is it is 5 minutes away from Pearson International Airport. This is Embassy Suites by Hilton. Okay, I think they are already here. Andiyan na sila. Hello there, friends and countrymen. Hi, Pip. We're already here. I can't wait. Super gutom na kami. And this is Cheesecake Factory. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Today is the day we are flying from Toronto Pearson International Airport going to Vancouver. It's a 5-hour plane ride. This is a big move for us. We can't wait. We are so excited to experience the city of Vancouver. And yes, gaya ng nakwento ko, we are relocating from London, Ontario, going to Vancouver. So, quick question for you. What will you miss about Ontario?
Our friends, my co-staff, all of the people we love, of course, sila yung mamimiss natin.
The friends, our friends who became our family also. So, for those who are watching this vlog, lalo na yung mga naging friends namin sa London, Ontario, thank you so much for making our 2-year experience in London so wonderful. We will forever remember you guys and hopefully we'll see you again in the future. It's time to move on. Once we land to Vancouver, we'll update you guys.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Delayed yung flight namin. Kanina, before we left Toronto, they're fixing something dun sa left wing. Sabi nila na chip yung paint dun left wing ng plane and they had to fix it for about an hour before kami nakaalis ng Pearson. But today, we are so excited for this. Kukunin lang natin yung luggages natin and then siguro after makarating sa apartment, tignan natin kung saan tayo pwedeng kumain for lunch because we are so hungry. Nagising kami ng super early. I think 3 in the morning Toronto time. Gising na kami and we headed straight to the airport. It's been a 5-hour flight. Thank God smooth yung biyahe natin. But sobrang gutom na ako.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
Hey guys! Quick update, this is our second day here in Vancouver. Nakarating na tayo sa new apartment natin. And gusto kong ipakita sa inyo how this place, although it's still bare, how it looks like. So, pagpasok mo, this is the main door. Pagpasok mo on the right, this is our bathroom. Meron siyang maliit na sink. And then there's also a tub. Maliit lang. Very straightforward. And then this is our foyer. Ayusin pa natin yan. And then this is our kitchen. So, yung unit na to, semi-furnished, it comes with a fridge na walang kalaman-laman except for milk. And then, ito yung kanyang freezer. And then that's our small kitchen. Meron tayong center island. Excuse the kalat. Maganda kasi may center island siya. So, we have bar stools and we can use this as our breakfast nook. Cassie is here. And then, it also comes with an ensuite laundry. And then, on this side, katabi lang niya is our walk-in closet. Maliit. Again, excuse the kalat. We'll still have to fix everything. But I wanted to show you kung ano yung itsura nito. And then there's Leuven. Yung lahat ng gamit na shinep namin, it will take 3 to 5 weeks bago makarating. So, for now, nagka-camping muna kami dito. We just bought an airbed. And then, sorry for the kalat, but we're fixing it later. And then this is our bedroom. Wala pang masyadong kalaman-laman except, again, our open luggages. Hinihintay pa natin yung bed natin. And then there's a small closet as well na nandito. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng mga some valuable items mo. Kasi may walk-in closet naman dun sa kabila. And then ang maganda dito, what I like about this one bedroom unit with solarium is yung ceiling niya malalaki. I mean, yung windows niya malalaki. So it gives you a good view of the marina side. And then, meron din siyang balcony. There you go. We'll also fix this. So that's the view from our balcony. And then, merong amenities area located on the 3rd level. So, all residents have access to the amenities area. Meron siyang outdoor pool. That's heated pool with glass bottom something. So, yan yung itsura ng aming neighborhood. I think 1 block away, merong dockside doon. Pwede kang sumakay ng aqua bus if you wanna go straight to Granville. So, this is our solarium. So, ito yung solarium. You can use this as an added or as an extra living room, or you can use this also as a dining space. Kami, we're thinking maybe yung dining table namin, dining chairs, dito namin gagawin or dito namin ilalagay once they arrive para mas may space kami doon sa labas, sa living room, kasi meron pa kaming massage chair and all that. So, maganda rin actually dito mag-work from home kasi po pwedeng maging mini office to. And then, you got this view. Very straightforward looking lang yung apartment. But we're happy with this one kasi nasa Yale Town kami. Everything is really accessible. Vancouver is a walkable city. And that's why we're happy about this. So that's our quick house tour, empty house tour. So the next challenge for us is how are we gonna decorate this place to make it look so homey and in sync with our personalities. So I will show you once we're done redecorating. I can't wait to do that pagdating lahat ng mga furniture and mga boxes natin. Hey guys, quick update. This is our day 3 here in Vancouver. We are still trying to nest. Inaayos pa natin yung apartment natin. I think the other day I showed you how our place looks like. So dito kami nakatira ngayon sa Yale Town and we are trying to get ourselves more familiar with the place. Kaya maglalakad-lakad tayo. Vancouver is a walkable city. It's also pet-friendly. Ang dami naming nakikitang mga residents walking their pets and it really make us a bit sad na hindi namin kasama dito si Cassie, but we know she's always with us in spirit. So, this is our neighborhood. Right across our apartment building is JW Marriott. And there is also a Belgian cafe. We should try this one day. Ang sarap ng weather today. One block lang kami from the seawall. So we're crossing the street. Doon sa dulo nun, magandang maglakad-lakad. What are you excited about sa bagong city natin?
Food, shopping.
Food and shopping. For sure, mas maraming options dito in comparison to London. Kaya din naman nakaka-excite. It's a chilly afternoon and I like it. Ang sarap mag-walk. Kaya naman namin pinili ni Leuven yung place namin because it's near the seawall, close to everything, accessible talaga siya. We actually, our apartment building is just right behind BC Place. And what's that? The arena, Rogers Arena, which is the concert, sabi ni Harris and ni Grace.
Rogers is different from BC Place.
Yes, Rogers Arena is different from BC Place. Pero magkatapat sila and dun daw ginagawa yung mga concerts, mga shows, baseball games. Siyempre, hindi pa kami nakaka-experience manood nun. Hopefully, one of these days, matry din natin yon. So, naglalakad tayo, papunta ng area na to. I think this is called David Lam Park. If you love to jog, makikita mo yung place na to. And I'm sure you will like it. Okay. So what Leuven and I... Oh, wait lang. Ito yung BC Place. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's BC Place. What we are trying to do is yung dock station for the Aqua Bus kasi pupunta tayo ng Granville. Hindi pa kami nagme-merienda ni Leuven. So, hopefully, doon kami makakuha ng masarap na pagkain or makakain. Mas gusto kong itry yung Aqua Bus. So, we'll just wait for it. I think this is Falls Creek Ferries. And then, next nito is yung Aqua Bus. We'll try that. So going to Granville from our place is so convenient. You just cross the street, lakad ka lang ng konti, and you can catch Aqua Bus or yung Falls Creek Ferries from this station going directly to Granville. Meron ding mga iba't ibang stopping points siya, pero sa amin today, we are going to Granville. I think nung first day namin, pumunta na kami sa Granville with our family here, sina Tita Glenda, Tito Nelson and their family, and the kids, plus si Harris and si Grace. Pero today, we are going back. Kasi nga, maghahanap tayo na po pwede nating makain. Wala pa kaming lunch ni Leuven. It's a busy day, kakatapos lang din ng work ko. So, medyo gutom na. We'll do early dinner. And tignan mo to. So, that's the Aqua Bus right there. So, dito tayo sasakay.
You're right, guys. Going.
Granville. Thank you.
Vancouver consistently ranks high in global livability rankings thanks to its overall quality of life. This includes low pollution levels, access to clean water, high levels of healthcare, and a relatively milder climate in comparison to other Canadian provinces. Residents enjoy a high standard of living with access to modern amenities, cultural events, and a rich social life. Commuting is also a breeze in Vancouver because it has a well-developed public transportation system, including buses, trains, and ferries, which makes getting around the city convenient without the need for a car. The SkyTrain system in particular is a popular way to travel quickly and efficiently throughout the city and surrounding areas.
Alam mo, napakaganda ng Vancouver and we're grateful for the opportunity to live and work in the city. Ang isang munting pangarap ng kahapon ay isa ng ganap na katuparan sa ngayon. At sa pagpapatuloy ng kwentong Canada namin, kami ay haharap sa bawat agos ng buhay na may pananalig. At sa bawat yapak na aming tatahakin, patuloy kaming mangangarap ng may galak sa puso at maghahabi pa ng masasayang kwentong paglalakbay na aming babalik-balikan hanggang sa aming pagtanda. At kung pinanood mo ang episode na to from start to end, thank you so much. We appreciate you. O paano? Hanggang sa susunod nating kwentuhan, this has been Tony. Thanks for watching.
Your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.